because the weather was so fantastic. But oftentimes in a script, you need weather. So we've had to learn how to create it. And we're going to show you now how we make it rain in movies. Steve has brought us to this nice little sleepy Mexican village. Now folks, here in Southern California, we do not get many thunderstorms, but people kind of expect it. So we give it to them. Our sound department is going to give us thunder. Our lighting department flashes lights against the building for lightning. We look at the script to see where we need it to rain. Let's say we're going to shoot a scene in front of that well. We'll put a sprinkler higher up where the camera can't see it, shoot the water straight up, and it'll rain exactly where we need it to. Now you'll notice here in front of us where Steve is, we have more rain. That's where we're going to put the camera, because these drops are huge. So we put the camera there so you can see the rain pouring down, and then we'll still have the actors over at the well getting wet as well, but the camera itself stays dry. You may recognize this street from things like Earthquake, Three Amigos, Lady Gaga's Judas video shot out here, Big Fat Liar. Oh folks, I'm sorry, it's too dry. We got a flash flood coming at you. Well, Matthew said you might get wet. Now, if you're wondering, if you're wondering how we could possibly create a flash flood, it's really simple. We flush all the toilets in the park at the same time. Okay, no. That's all recycled water. Here is the scene from Big Fat Liar that's shot out there. If you've seen the movie, you'll remember this. And as you're watching this, we've got more Mexico here. This was used, as I mentioned earlier, in Three Amigos, Nacho Libre. In the OC, this was Tijuana. And if any of you saw the Paramount film Indiana Jones and the Kingdom of the Crystal Skull, that was Peru, where they had the outdoor market. Now, friends, when you cross the border from Mexico, you get to Texas. And this is an area that we call 6 Points, Texas. Welcome home, guys. We've shot a lot of westerns out here. Back in the early silent movie days, they would shoot as many as 300 westerns a year because they were short films and they were silent. Now look here to the right. Casey, Ben, this was Queensland, Australia in the year 1906, right over here, in the movie Saving Mr. Banks, the Disney film. Now that looks very, very modern, really. So if you'll take a look at your screens, this is that exact street. Now, this was not the way it looked for the Saving Mr. Banks. This was for one of our westerns. But this is just how we can make you think that you're 200 years, 150 years. We cover the asphalt with dirt, put people in period clothing, bring out a horse or two and a wagon, and then we're back. That's right. They're from Dallas, Big D. Do any of you watch Westworld on HBO? Anybody seen that? They shot a couple of episodes here. How about anybody were fans of Castle with Nathan Fillion? That was on ABC. All right, when he got married, they came to their honeymoon at the Dude Ranch in Arizona and actually shot right here on the street. Over on your left are the two newest soundstage buildings. There's 4 sound stages there that we're still constructing, and the plan is to build 6 more. We're supposed to have 10 brand new stages. And then if you look through this mesh, you can see some water. There used to be a big, big lake out there. They're draining part of it, but that's where we shot the creature from the Black Lagoon in the 1950s. That was supposed to be the Amazon River. Now, friends, we're going to show you 2 things. We want to show you A, how we use mechanical sets in movies. B, what it would feel like to go through a major earthquake. Can't come to LA without an earthquake, right? Well, hopefully this is your only one. And to show you how we do it in the movies, you folks are the actors, I'm your director. Let's roll cameras and action. Now, actors, we're at the BART system here in San Francisco. All right, you know how people act on trains. You can talk to each other, check your cell phone, look to see if it's your stop. But we're pulling into the station, and you never know when earthquakes are coming, so don't give anything away yet. Now, as we pull into the station, we are supposed to go all the way to the end. But we're stopping here in the middle. So now you got to build suspense. You know something's wrong. You can talk to each other, point up ahead, look around. That's good. Good job. Oh, Klein, that's some good acting going on there. All right, special effects. Shake us one time. Now this might be a little one. There's nothing to worry about, right? But get ready, actors. Here comes the big moment. All right, special effects. Hit us with the big one, action. Big reaction. a fantastic job. Up here on the right, in front of us, I just sprung apart the entire platform. Maybe we can even rupture a gas line. That's what goes good with a ruptured gas line, high voltage electricity. Now I'm going to add an important line of dialogue like, it's a big one, Elizabeth. I'm coming home to you, honey. We need one more scare in front of us. Choose one-way train. And just when you think it's all over, let's break the water main. Flood the entire station. Choose one. You can slide them off, you can see over and over and over and over again. You know that? I think I'm bad luck. I got escaped by dinosaurs drowned in a what?
Maybe I can keep safe. We'll see.
Yeah, Tim's feeling a little guilty about getting you guys in danger with a giant apes and earthquakes and the flash floods. Hopefully I can keep you guys safer here, guys. That was awesome, wasn't it? Guys, that entire attraction can reset, do the whole thing all over again in 15 seconds. It's run by 3 computers. Here we go. I don't think we're out of danger yet, though, Tim. I think I might be getting us into some danger, too. Guys, up ahead, this is Amity Island, the town that was terrorized by the great white shark in Jaws.
Here so you can see.
Guys, that big shark is still out here. Tim caught this shark yesterday. That's a pretty big one, Tim. He's a good fisherman. He caught this in between us. Yeah. Believe it or not, there's a bigger one out there, though. So oh, there he is. There's the big shark. Guys, I think there's a diver out there by the boat. You see him under the water? The diver needs to get in the boat. The shark's going right towards that guy. Yeah, it takes a lot of guts to work out here. Oh, there they are. A lot of guts. Yeah. Folks, we're going to take cover behind these flammable gasoline vessels. We should be safe. I don't see a shark. Oh wait, he's under the pier. Right over there.
It's okay to stand up. We're not moving.
Yeah, can you guys see the shark? It's hard to see under the water. Oh guys, he's coming up on the right side of us! Right there!